Now watch the birdie. Well, I watched the birdie. Is she gonna come back? Right there she is on the railing. Right there she is. She has babies within that little thing sticking out of the wall. There's like a nest with little baby chicks. I think you can probably hear them right now. And she usually flies in there every like 5 minutes or so when after she goes finds food over there in the grass, and she feeds her babies. Wait, here she comes. Sometimes she passes by, but other times she usually comes back, hangs out at the top or at the side of it, and then she lands on top of it and then goes inside it. So I want to try to catch that, if she will do that. Maybe it's because I'm here. She did it like 5 times before. Oh well. Oh wait. Here she comes. No, she landed on top of it again. There she is. See, and now she's feeding her babies. And there she goes to find more food. Really nice to watch in a nice place like this.